Welcome to our exploration of AI assistance for students and educators in 2026. As technology rapidly evolves, artificial intelligence is reshaping the educational landscape, offering new opportunities and challenges for both learners and teachers. In this video, we'll dive into how AI is being integrated into classrooms, its impact on productivity and creativity, and the ethical considerations that come with these advancements. Whether you're an educator, student, or simply curious about the future of learning, this journey will provide valuable insights into the trends shaping education technology and the responsible use of AI. Let's start with a quick overview of what we'll cover. First, we'll understand AI's role in the modern workplace and classroom. Next, we'll examine how AI impacts productivity and creativity for both students and educators. We'll then look ahead to future trends and the ethical considerations that must guide AI integration. Finally, we'll wrap up with key takeaways and next steps for embracing AI responsibly in education. This structure will help us navigate the complex, yet exciting world of education technology together. Artificial intelligence, or AI, enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes everything from automating routine work to solving complex problems. AI systems process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and support decision-making in ways that were once unimaginable. Across industries, including education, AI is being adopted to improve efficiency, outcomes, and the overall learning experience. Understanding these core concepts is essential as we explore how AI is transforming education for both students and educators. One of the most immediate benefits of AI in education is the automation of routine tasks. AI can handle repetitive work such as data entry, grading, and responding to common queries. This not only speeds up decision-making by quickly analyzing large datasets, but also reduces human errors, making processes more reliable. By automating these essential yet time-consuming operations, educators and students can focus on higher-value activities like critical thinking, creativity, and personal development. The result is a more efficient and engaging learning environment. AI is also revolutionizing communication in education. Tools like chatbots, translation services, and automated meeting summaries make interactions faster and clearer. Students can get instant answers to their questions, while educators can efficiently manage communication with large groups. These AI-powered tools break down language barriers and ensure that everyone stays informed, fostering a more inclusive and collaborative learning environment. As communication becomes more seamless, the focus can shift to deeper learning and meaningful engagement. Beyond communication, AI is a powerful ally in sparking creativity. It assists with idea generation, writing, editing, and even design. For students, this means more opportunities to experiment and innovate, while educators can develop engaging content more efficiently. AI tools can suggest improvements, offer inspiration, and help bring creative visions to life. By supporting both the creative process and the final product, AI empowers everyone in the educational ecosystem to think outside the box and push boundaries. AI is making education more accessible than ever before. Voice assistants allow hands-free operation, making it easier for individuals with different needs to participate fully. Transcription tools convert speech to text, ensuring that lectures and meetings are accessible to everyone, including those with hearing impairments. AI-powered learning support adapts to various learning styles and disabilities, creating a more inclusive environment where every student has the opportunity to succeed. Looking Looking ahead, one of the most exciting trends is personalized learning powered by AI. Advanced systems can tailor educational content, and packing to each student's unique needs, strengths, and interests. This individualized approach helps students learn more effectively and stay motivated. By analyzing performance data, AI can identify areas where a student may need extra support or more challenging material, ensuring that every learner receives a customized educational experience. AI-driven intelligent tutoring systems are set to transform how students receive feedback and support. These virtual tutors provide real-time guidance, answer questions, and offer targeted resources based on individual progress. By simulating one-on-one instruction, AI tutors help bridge gaps in understanding and keep students on track. This technology not only supports academic achievement, but also fosters independent learning and confidence. For educators, AI streamlines administrative tasks such as grading, scheduling, and resource management. By automating these processes, teachers can dedicate more time to instruction and student engagement. Automated systems ensure accuracy and consistency, reducing the administrative burden and allowing schools to operate more efficiently. This shift not only benefits educators, but also enhances the overall educational experience for students. As AI becomes more integrated into education, protecting student data is paramount. Ethical AI systems must ensure that personal information is collected, stored, and used responsibly. Robust security measures are essential to prevent unauthorized access and maintain trust. Educators and technology providers must work together to establish clear guidelines and transparency around data usage, ensuring that privacy is never compromised. Another critical ethical consideration is addressing bias and ensuring fairness in AI systems. Algorithms can unintentionally perpetuate inequalities if not carefully designed and monitored. It's essential to regularly evaluate AI tools for potential biases and make adjustments to promote equity. By prioritizing fairness, educators can ensure that AI supports all students, regardless of background or ability, and contributes to a more just educational environment. Despite AI's capabilities, human oversight remains crucial. Educators must maintain control over AI-driven decisions and interventions, ensuring that technology complements rather than replaces human judgment. This balance allows for the integration of AI strengths while preserving the essential human elements of empathy, intuition, and ethical reasoning. By working together, humans and AI can create more effective and compassionate educational experiences. While AI offers powerful tools, it's important to balance its use with the development of essential human skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Educators should encourage students to use AI as a resource, not a crutch, fostering independent thought and problem-solving abilities. This balanced approach ensures that technology enhances learning without diminishing the unique strengths that humans bring to the table. The future of education lies in collaboration between AI and humans. By leveraging AI's capabilities to enhance productivity, personalize learning, and improve accessibility, educators and students can work smarter and more effectively. However, realizing AI's full potential requires ongoing attention to ethical challenges like data privacy, bias, and human oversight. Together, we can create innovative and equitable learning environments that empower everyone to succeed. In summary, AI is poised to transform education by making learning more personalized, efficient, and accessible. As we embrace these advancements, it's essential to address ethical considerations and maintain a collaborative approach. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter, more equitable future for for students and educators alike. Thank you for joining us on